Alright, so here we have our playlist made and we have scheduled some files in it. Now, if we want to add some advertisements, jingles, and sweepers in our playlist itself, we'll have to first add those files over here in the individual section by right clicking on it, add advertisement, right click on jingles, add jingle, and right click on sweeper, add sweeper files. Once that is done, you will have to right click over on the playlist itself and click on schedule add-on options. So once we click over here, you can see your advertisement files, your jingles, and your sweepers which you have added in this section will be listed over here. So now what we have to do is you have to enable those advertisements first. Now to enable the advertisement, you have these small check marks next to it. You can check and uncheck to enable particular advertisement. And here you have option per playlist or per hour. So when we add per hour option, what will happen is that in every 1 hour of playlist, that particular ad will play. So I have added 1 hour duration. So that means all those four files will be played in 1 hour from the starting of the playlist. So let's say I have enabled all these advertisements. I have enabled this master switch for the enabling the advertisement, and I have chosen advertisement profile as random. So random means all the ads will be disoriented and they will be coming in 1 hour duration. So I will just click on save and schedule. So now you can see all those yellow highlights are the advertisement files that have been added in our playlist. So now if we see how the ads and files are being played, we can just click or create a schedule over here. So let me just create a schedule, and here in the schedule itself, if I click on here, you can see my playlist is starting at 11:02 a.m. and my advertisement files are oriented like this. So they are coming at 11:02. So before 12:02, all those four files have already gotten played. So that's how per hour schedule works. If we have chosen in the advertisement section per hour schedule, so that means all the four files or all the ads will be played in 1 hour duration only from the starting of the playlist. Now, if I just go over here and if instead of 1 hour I choose per playlist itself section, so what will happen is that all the ad files will be added as per the playlist, not with the hourly duration. So I have clicked on save and schedule. Now you can see here those ad files are randomly oriented. So now they are not under obligation to be played in 1 hour. They can be played in the entire playlist as per they see it. Now we have another section over here in the schedule add-ons. What if we just choose ad break option over here in the profile? So what ad break means is that all the files will be listed as clubbed together in the playlist itself. They may not be disoriented. So if I just save and schedule here, you can see all the four files are clubbed together. It means they are no longer disoriented. They are coming as one single, uh, one by one. They will be played over here. So if I see it in the schedule section also, they will be clubbed together. And similarly, we can also choose per hour duration also in the playlist for the advertisement while still being at the random or ad break profile. If we save and schedule, now also we can see in 1 hour duration only the playlist will be consisting of all the advertisement files. So that's how we can schedule the advertisements in the playlist itself. Now, if we want to schedule singles in our playlist, let me first make it to uh, random profile first. Alright. So now if you want to add singles in the playlist, so what you can do the same things which you have done in the ads. Here you can enable the single. What you have added in the single section will be available here. Now you can just enable all the singles that you see over here. You can enable the single and you can also set the frequency for the same. So here I have chosen after every one track, one jingle will be played. So that's how my schedule is scheduled. So I can just click save and schedule, and here you can see jingles are being shown with aqua color. So after every file, there is one jingle coming up. If there is an ad also, then after that jingle is coming up. So that's how my playlist is oriented. Now, if I want to uh, move something up and down, I can do this with the up and down arrow. That I can do it. But initially, it will schedule all my playlist according to what I have chosen. Now, if I want to schedule the sweeper, I can do the same thing. I can enable sweeper files, and I can enable this sweeper over here. And I have not chosen this option. Don't play sweeper in combination with single. If I do that, at the place of every single, next to that sweeper will not come. So right now I have not chosen that option. So you can see once I save and schedule, it is highlighted with this purple color. So those are my sweeper files. Now if I choose the option don't play in combination with single, so what will happen is your single your sweepers will not appear in the playlist. That is because Jingle is occupying all the playlist itself. So the sweeper we have chosen the option it should not play after Jingle, so it is not finding the place in the entire playlist. So it is not coming or shown over here. That is how you can schedule playlist sweepers and jingles in the playlist itself. And once that has been scheduled, you can correspondingly move it up and down as per your desire if there is something that you want to shift. But given the provision, this section allows you to add all those files in single swoop in the playlist itself.